Introducing the Starblue Roti Tortilla Maker, your ultimate kitchen companion to create perfectly delicious and genuine roti effortlessly. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked or sticky rotis, as this high-quality roti maker ensures you achieve the ideal texture every time. Slightly crispy on the outside and delightfully chewy on the inside. Perfect to complement your favorite savory and spice-rich dishes. Here are the key features of Roti Maker by Starblue. Non-stick cooking plates for effortless cooking. With the non-stick cooking plates, a hallmark feature of Starblue kitchen tools, you can bid farewell to the frustration of rotis sticking or breaking apart. Enjoy a hassle-free cooking experience with this user-friendly roti maker. Durable stainless steel body for longevity. Crafted with a sturdy stainless steel body, the Starblue Roti Maker is built to withstand the test of time. Rest assured that this reliable kitchen gadget will serve you and your family for years to come. Neon light indicator and temperature control for precision. Never second-guess the readiness of your roti again. The neon light indicator provides clear signals for a seamless cooking process. The red light indicates the power is on, while the green light indicates the machine is at the optimal temperature for cooking. Additionally, the temperature control knob allows you to adjust the cooking speed for different types of dough. Easy to clean and store. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the Starblue Roti Maker. Simply wipe it gently with a wet cloth, thanks to its non-stick cooking plates. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing of sticky residues and crumbs. For storage, conveniently wrap the cord around the base, making it ready for future use. Explore versatile cooking options. With the Starblue Roti Maker, culinary creativity knows no bounds. Apart from making perfect rotis, unleash your culinary skills and explore a wide range of recipes such as tortillas, flatbread, naan, and more. The 10-inch flat cooking surface provides ample space for crafting your delicious wraps. Embrace the Starblue Roti Maker. Step up your cooking game with the Starblue Roti Maker, designed to elevate your roti making experience and revolutionize your kitchen. Say hello to authentic, restaurant-quality rotis in the comfort of your home.